Yes, yes, we are on live.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all our audience, guests, parents, colleagues, faculty members, past and present students, and students to be. This is my great pleasure to host this online admission fair on behalf of Faculty of Business Administration. This is Saida Jabin Sani, lecturer, FBA, USTC. First and the foremost, I'd like to thank everyone in this session for allocating time from your busy schedule to attend this event. We all know that we are all going through a very tough time and a very tough situation. Everything, especially our education system, is halted. In spite of a lot of uncertainty and unrest time, we, the Faculty of Business Administration, tried our level best to attain and maintain all our academic schedules. We continued our classes, exams, presentations, and all academic activities using different online platforms and etc. Alhamdulillah. Following this round, we are open for the admission for the July to December session. As a part of it, this admission fair is organized. At this point, as our Honorable VC Sir and Pro VC Sir is busy with some other schedule, we are very unfortunate that they are not here. So let's start with our students' all-time favorite teacher, Mr. Rupam Chaudhary, with his speech. Mr. Rupam Chaudhary is the assistant professor here in USTC, and he has a marvelous academic background from renowned universities from UK and London. Please, Mr. Rupam Chaudhary, sir.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to say a few words in this lovely occasion. At the outset of my speech, I am Rupam Chaudhary, Assistant Professor of FBA USTC. Would like to welcome all the prospective students here in our most glorious University of Science and Technology, Chittagong. The one who is looking for to pursue their higher education in the field of business administration, both in graduate and postgraduate level, FBA of USTC would be your right choice. We have all infrastructural and logistic facilities, along with most dedicated and skilled, talented teaching staff, eagerly waiting to cater to your academic and professional needs in the field of management education. Over the last decade, FBA USTC has been evolved at its highest peak for conserving and delivering high-quality teaching and learning atmosphere, and I can assure you that this is going to be the most beneficial for you if you have already decided to join us. At the end, I must say and request to all of you to come and visit us when this ongoing lockdown is going to get over. You can also visit our website in the meantime and attend universities' different other online live programs and have a conversation with our dedicated admission officers to know more about us, as well as let us to know your particulars. We are looking forward to meet you at our beautiful campus. Thank you once again for your patience hearing. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Your words are always beautiful and very, very inspirational. Benjamin Disraeli once said that a university should be a place of light of liberty and learning. USTC exactly is what we practice here in USTC. Dear audience, let me now please welcome our newly joined faculty member, Assistant Professor Dr. Hassan AKM Kamrul, who just came from Japan after attaining his PhD award as well as MBA. Please, Mr. Hassan, sir.
Hello. Am I laudable to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Respected professors, students, dear viewers of today's admission fair 2021, and Honorable host of this program is Jabin Madam. Greeting and good afternoon. Thank you for your warm welcome, and thank you for giving me the opportunity to deliver a speech as today's admission fair organized by Faculty of Business Administration, USTC. Yeah, as we know, the Euro football tournament is ongoing, but things have been different this year. There are fewer gatherings in person. Instead, I have already heard about the public viewing in the digital sphere with fans using virtual conference software to get together and cheer of their favorite teams. Fortunately, the games themselves are taking place in real life and not virtually. However, the same cannot be said for most meetings in our business world. And therefore, I'm speaking to you in a virtual digital platform today, and you are also joining with us at this incredible admission fair virtually. Yeah, I'm Hassan, Dr. Hassan Nakem Kamrul, teaches finance courses at FBA USTC. And I have completed my BBA and MBA and PhD from Japan, and recently I joined in this beautiful university. And prior to that, I have spent a decade-long time in industry at home and abroad. Indeed, we must acknowledge that university is a place largely based on three themes. And these are learnings, groomings, and engaging yourself for your bright future. Honestly speaking, within the couple of months at USTC, I have confidently assured you that we will train you and build your future within this yardstick once you get admitted into our university. As you have already aware that previous speakers, our Rupam sir and Madam also speak out that we have a skilled and experienced faculties who will teach you in the classroom. We have a large permanent campus, including our modern facilities that grooming you as a young professionals. On top of that, we have several student clubs where you can engage yourself for extracurricular activities. What is more, our graduates are in places, and you can connect yourself with our large and active alumni network for your future career destination. I do believe the Bangladeshi private university, especially USTC, is doing a great job during this pandemic and expose its resilience and strength. We did not stop teaching to our students during this pandemic, lockdown, or even in the strict shutdown. Classes and exams are ongoing. We are frequently arranging webinars, industrial actor series, and several events for the benefit of the students. Yes, simply because we do value the respected parents' expectation from their kids, students' dream career and economic development of Bangladesh. So let's look ahead and don't miss or lose your opportunity to get admitted at USTC and be a proud member, proud business grad from this prestigious business school. Thank you. Thank you all.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. So sweet of your words. So at this point, let me call one of our current student and share her experience here in USTC. Please let me welcome Ms. Kanon Sengupta from 7th semester. Kanon, are you there? Okay, I think she might be facing some network issues. Okay, let's go for the next schedule. That is, the success of any school can be measured by the contribution of the alumni that they make to our nations. Yes, this is time to call our alumni and hear from them. Please welcome Ms. Kazi Taslima Akhtar, MBA regular 24th batch.
Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. I am Kazi Taslima Akhtar. I am welcome all of you on this web session of Admission Fair. It is indeed my great pleasure to be here as an alumni of this institution. Not only it is the moment of happiness and nostalgia for me, but also an opportunity to reflect on our learning and achievements. Our alumni have established themselves as successful individuals in almost every field of their lives, and we couldn't be any prouder. University is another home of the students, and it plays a vital role in nurturing them into a good human beings. Besides shaping the character of a student, the university helps us to face the world with brave and courage. The teachers and students share an intimate and intricate bond of love and respect. I extend my warm regards to my junior, my love to my mates, and my respect to all of my respected teachers for giving me a chance to explore my feelings about my university. Thank you, all of you.
Okay, thank you so much. This is so sweet of you that you shared your experience with us. So at this time, I would like to share a PowerPoint slide with you. Is my slide visible?
Yes, it is.
Okay, thank you so much. So welcome to Faculty of Business Administration. University of Science and Technology is the first ever private university in Bangladesh. It was firstly established on May 13, 1989. Later on, it was upgraded to USDC as a full-fledged university under Private University Act 1992. When it started its journey, it had only 2 professors and 9 lecturers. And now you can see that we have around 300 teachers and experts here in USDC. National Professor Dr. Nurul Islam is the founder of USDC. He established, led, and created the history of private university in Bangladesh. Sir Dr. Nurul Islam was an educator, a physician, a former VC, and a true leader. He had a number of publications, books, and awards, both national and international. We actually feel very proud to find the linkage of USDC with such a jewel of our country. Leadership and learning are indispensable to each other, once John F. Kennedy said. Our honorable chairman, Mr. Ahmed Iftekhar Islam, is now leading us USDC with his forecasting knowledge and experience, and we are very grateful to him. Our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Engineer Mohammad Jahangir Alam, who previously served as the VC of the CHUET and won many international and national achievements and awards. We are very grateful that USDC is prospering directly under his guidance and supervision. Here you can see the visions and missions of USDC, which clearly says about our commitment towards building a skillful society. These are the degrees and courses that we offer here in USDC. We offer BBA, we offer MBA for regular students, MBA for any graduates, MBA for professionals, MBA for engineers, and MBM. These are the entry qualifications. You can see that for different course and programs, there are different requirements. Or minimum requirements is actually 2.5 for most of the cases. Not only the qualifications requirements, we also need a test or evaluation for the students to be. This is how we marks them. That is, on the basis of the SSC result, they get 10 points. On the basis of HSC result, they get 10 points. Written test is on 60 numbers, Viva for 20, and in total it's 100 marks. These courses we offer in BBA only, and in total there are 123 credits. There are 4 specializations areas in here: finance and banking, marketing, management information science, human resource, and SCM. This is the course distribution way. That is, one student, if he is in BBA, he must have to sit for 4,100 marks oriented courses. And for each course, there are 100 marks. And for midterm, they will have to sit for 10 marks. 10 marks for class attendance, they are allotted for 10 marks. Assignment and presentations for 10 marks. Final examination for 50 marks, and viva for 10 marks. In addition, they will have to go for the industrial tour and industrial tour report and in the internship report and defense for them. Okay, so why actually FBA USDC? FBA USDC is undoubtedly the best option one ever can have in Chittagong. We have experts, experienced faculties from different related discipline and foreign and native educational qualifications. Our affordable tuition fees have no match with our well-equipped facilities, including class arrangements, labs, and so on. Our history, our achievements are our pride. We were the pioneer, we are the pioneer, because the days of a pioneer are not past. So let's see our faculties. As you can see that FBA is shining with all qualified and talented faculties with diverse educational background and achievements. With the leadership of our Honorable Dean Sir, Mr. Said Ali Fazol, who is also the Associate Professor of FBA USDC, we have 8 faculties who had their educational backgrounds from Malaysia, Japan, UK, Dhaka University, Chittagong University, and other related specializations and specialized hours and institutions. All our teachers are exactly related to the academic research works, national and international publications, fellowships, and so on. So we are actually ready to share our knowledge and experience with you. Only thing you need is to step forward. This is our beautiful campus. As you see that this is situated in a place where that from wherever you are in any place from Chittagong, whether it is northern side or southern side, you can access USDC in a very smallest time and cost. And the environment is also very much friendly. So let's go with some photo albums. Here we can see some pictures from inauguration of the FBA new campuses and well-equipped classrooms and spacious examination halls, well-equipped and furnished rich seminar library. One can study here very peacefully. Computer lab with modern facilities, large seminar hall. And not only that, FBA is very much engaged with all the co-curriculum activities here. Time to time, they got a lot of awards, and there are business club and cultural club also here. Some awards that our students achieved throughout different times. Some other pictures of the co-curriculum activities. And time to time, we always invite some experts and knowledgeable persons, and they come here and share their experience and their knowledge and motivate our students. These are some pictures of the industrial visit and industrial tours of different times. So USDC is being cultivated, grown, and developed as an academy, as a lab, and as a workshop for understanding and mastering the world man is born to. We look equally to the practices of sand and the practices of gold, because we believe all are unique and all have to be questioned, analyzed, and understood. We want that all our students understand this at the very first day of year. They must not become dull and force followers. Their intelligence should be guide them ahead towards a self-patience that is not dogmatic, that is supple and determined. I welcome all the students to be a part of USTC and start to experience their best ever student life. Thank you so much. Dear audience, thanks for your patience time. This is time to hear from our Honorable Dean Sir, Mr. Dr. Saeed Ali Fazl. He is also the Associate Professor here in USTC with knowledge and experience from Malaysia and Pearson University. Please, sir.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Thank you, Zameen Madam. A very good afternoon to all of you, especially to my dear colleagues and students and whoever is viewing us now through Facebook and through other digital platforms. I welcome you all virtually to Faculty of Business Administration, USTC. I am Dr. Saeed Ali Fazl, currently serving as Associate Professor and Dean at the Faculty of Business Administration, USTC. As you have heard, my bachelor's is from Dubai. I did my master's in Bangladesh, went back and did my PhD in management from Malaysia. So I am basically a humble student of business management since a very long time. I'm really passionate about research. Apart from management related subjects, I also teach research methodology to my students at USTC. As I said, I'm a very aggressive researcher. I've published around 50 papers in academic journals, held conferences, wrote books, published books. I have both national and international collaborations. However, when teaching to my students and when I am talking to you, I'm honored and humbled, and I'm thankful that all of you are here. Because it doesn't matter how qualified I am, it doesn't matter how qualified our teachers are. Undoubtedly, all of us, we have our credentials to support you, but it's you who is important. It's you who have to make a decision. It's you who have to think critically and analyze the facts that USTC is offering. We do not claim that we are the best, but we claim that we try our best. What do we try our best? We try our best to give you, to provide you with quality education. We try our best to provide you with an insight, with a keyhole of the world. With all these experiences from different countries, different cultures, we open up international holistic education to our students. And that is what is unique to us, our experiences that we are willing to share with you. It is very challenging and at the same time interesting time to be admitted for higher education, to be investing at higher education. So a right question that comes to my mind, that is USTC a good option, or is higher education a good option to invest right now when the world is going through the worst pandemic ever? So to answer this, I call upon my students, if they're here, whoever is here, I have taught and they're here, kindly turn on your mics. I know a lot of academics, they prefer a very quiet and silent environment, but for me, I like noisy students, I like a noisy classroom, and that's what excites me. So all my students, kindly turn on all of your mics. Antara, Nur Fatima, I see Simon, I see Ashraful, all my students. All my students, I'm requesting you to turn on the mic and answer me a simple question. What do you think will get us ahead of COVID? আমাদেরকে কোভিডের সাথে যুদ্ধ করে জয়ী কে করবে? Can anyone answer me this question? Answer this question for me. Is it our money? Is it our wealth? Is it our power? Is it our influence? Or is it knowledge? Is it I didn't hear you. Come on.
Knowledge.
Knowledge, sir.
Come on. Everyone.
Knowledge.
Knowledge, sir.
Knowledge.
Knowledge.
Knowledge, is it? Are you sure?
Absolutely.
So কি করব আমরা? থেমে যাব? কোভিড এর ভয় বাসায় বসবো, কাজ করব না, নাকি এই ডিজিটাল পৃথিবীকে আপন করে নিব, নিউ নরমালকে আপন করে নিব, and we will extend our knowledge, we will extend our education. আমরা কি থেমে যাব?
না স্যার।
না, স্যার।
আমরা কি এগিয়ে যাব?
অবশ্যই যাব, স্যার।
আমরা কি এগিয়ে যাব?
ইনশাআল্লাহ এগিয়ে যাব, স্যার, ইনশাআল্লাহ।
আরো জোরে।
অবশ্যই, স্যার।
অবশ্যই স্যার। ইনশাআল্লাহ স্যার।
That's
ইনশাআল্লাহ,
the
স্যার।
spirit. That's the spirit of my students. That's the spirit of USTC. That's the spirit of Faculty of Business Administration. I thank you all. I welcome you all to seeing you at FBA USTC. Personally thank the host of today's program, Zabeen Madam. I thank and I forward sincere gratitude to our late founding father, Dr. Nurul Islam sir. I forward gratitude to the Board of Trustees, to our Honorable VC, Pro VC, heads, deans, chairs, my fellow colleagues at the Faculty of Business Administration, without whose support this was never possible. I thank the admission office, I thank the IT department who have supported us for this event. And most and foremost, I thank my students. I thank the viewers for your time and for your effort and for your energy that you are sharing with us. Allah Hafiz, take care, stay safe.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for your beautiful word. Sir, with your permission, can I call our one of our current student who was unable to join at the earlier time?
Sure.
Okay, please, Kanan Sengupta, if you are available now, can you talk? We can't hear you.
Am I audible?
Yes, now you are. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And I am sorry. I'm so sorry for that. The late. It was so uncertain for me.
No, it's okay. You continue, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Well, I was said to share my experience with all of the freshers and all of the students. But before that, well, I would like to make a very warm welcome to all the freshers. And one thing I have to say for the first time, like, as it counts one of the most important journey in our life, so it's important for us to choose the right ship to voyage. So let me tell you my experience. Well, when I started my journey with USTC in the Faculty of Business Administrations, honestly, I was uncertain, trembling in every step, terrified of how I can level up myself to be one of them. But it turns out USTC is so welcoming that my peer pressure didn't last so longer. Well, starting from the dean of our faculty, all our respected professors, lecturers, all are significantly the best mentor that I have ever come across. Well, under their guideline, I have become a student with more high ambitions, and it's helped me to choose my careers, to fix my goals. And also USTC is helping me to make the bridges between my choices of studies and my desired career, with proper set of courses and activities and the proper set of high affiliations with corporate sectors as well. So I have to say that indeed, I'm looking forward to the brightest future for all the newcomers that have joined us in our campus with many possibilities. So best of luck, all the newcomers, and thank you so much for giving me the time. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Kanun. This is very sweet of you. Your words will help our freshers to decide what to do. And thank you so much. And I would like to thank all our students and all our colleagues who joined here, who managed here, and special thanks to Chandra Madam, Rupam sir, and obviously our Dean sir, and every faculty members here who are present here. Thank you so much, sir. With your permission, can we conclude the session here?
Yes, just before we end, I wish to inform everyone who is watching who is with us. Please leave your comments. Please share this live, and please let us know if you have any queries, any questions. You will get back. You will get our feedback as soon as possible. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Assalamu alaikum, everyone.